Whoa, now, what's up with the YouTube? This is TK with Cuts by Kelly. In this video, I'm just doing a design, and I'm gonna try to keep it under 10 minutes. That's my goal. I'm gonna start making some videos with me just doing my practice in there, and I'm gonna try to keep those under 10 minutes. So tell me if you like this video, and if I should make more like this. I'm just making this, like I said, it's me practicing designs. I'm not that great at them, and I'm just trying to get better at them. And you know, sometimes you be on Instagram and Facebook or something like that, and you always see these epic designs and they look so flawless. And most people with haircuts and all that, you want to post your best work. You really don't post your worst or your average work. So with these designs, I want to just post things that I don't do good at. At least I feel like I don't do good at them, and I have to get better at it. And so you can just see it raw and uncut. But you'll also see the progress and my process as I come from an intermediate designer to an expert, maybe. You know, if I'm at a 5 right now on a 10 scale, I'll get to a 7 or an 8. So you'll see the process, and that's what this is about. So I hope you like this content. I hope you like this design. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, yeah, and hit the notification bell. Also, leave a comment if you have any questions or if you have anything to say about this video. So with that, let's get into the video. Yeah!